smoke detector batteries.
Change your smoke detector batteries.
I'm Cy Wilson. I'm the Assistant Fire Chief at the Wyoming Fire Department, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We recommend that you change your smoke detector battery twice a year. So change your clocks, change your smoke detector batteries. 40% of fatal fires involve a non-working smoke detector, and 50% of those were not working because there was no battery or a dead battery. So you're going to open up your detector, take out your old battery, replace it with a new one, close it back up, and then you want to push the test button to make sure that it works. Thank you for practicing fire safety. Have a great week, and remember to change your smoke detector batteries.
Change your smoke detector batteries.